Skunky. It's a skunk.
See, the raccoon will probably get up there, but he can't.
He's not a raccoon, he's a skunk. So you can't. Whoa, got that kid. Whoa. What? He can't do what a raccoon could. Hey, Skunky. Is he behind that grill?
No, he's right here.
Skunky. Wait. Okay. Skunky. Zoom out, it's blurry. Skunky. What are you trying to do, Skunk?
I'm glad they didn't open that door. Where they get the shark alarm.
Skunkers. It's a little light. Let me see if I can hold the camera here. I think it's because my door window's dirty. So it's hard to see the skunky. It's hard to see in the dark with those vision pads in there. Oh, okay. Skunky!
He's still there? Yeah, there he is.
He's gone?
No, he's right here.
Give up?
See him?
Skunky! Skunky! Oh, little skunky! Oh, hello, little skunky. Spooky little skunky. I don't know if this is hard to see skunky. You're skunky. Skunky. We should name our little skunk baby. He's a skunk baby, so we should name little skunk baby. What should we name our skunk baby? Vote for a name for our little skunk. Skunk baby. Skunkali. You knocked over that box. Couldn't open it.
Yeah, because the box
Trying
was
to get some stuff.
the box was on top of the box.
Skunky thinks he's so tough and cool. He's going to get that bag of watermelon rinds. Nah, I'll do